What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another Yonkes episode. Today we're going to be checking out this 2007 Cadillac Escalade. We're going to get into the details in a bit. At the end of the video, we will leave the owner's Instagram so you guys can message him if you guys have any questions about this build. Like always, we got to get the exterior first before we get into the interior and engine bay. This thing is on some nice set of wheels. The front end has been converted to 2014 and it's been color matched, as you can see. Got the lower grille, whole front. It's color matched to the, it's like a off-white pearl. I don't know the name of this color. It's a really nice color. The vent was also color matched. Door handles as well. And this lower trim used to be chrome. It looks a lot better now. It also has some electric running boards. And it has a V emblem right here on the door. And I'll show you guys why in a bit. First, I'm gonna show you guys these Forgiato wheels. It's on 28 by 9s in the front. Tire size 275 25, and it's tugging a little bit right now because it's like on a little bump here on the floor, but got some Viking coilovers, and they got the 6-piston Willwood brake kit on here. Back here it's on some 28 by 10s. Huge lip. Also the Willwood kit. This caliper has 4 pistons. The front ones are 6, and you can see the 4-link right there. You can't really see it, but right there. Got some Viking coilovers back here as well. Has some LED tail lights, also this upper tail light, the LED. Got a little bit of orange just to make it pop. Got the little V emblem right there. Thing is super clean all the way around. We'll walk over to the driver's side so I can show you guys the interior. Sorry about the background noise. This interior is super clean. The headliner and the pillars were all done in black suede. Got the wood grain trims and everything. Pioneer head unit. Got 2 12s in the back. Up here on this pillar it has a boost gauge, oil pressure, and air and fuel ratio. Also has been wrapped in black suede. The base knob right here in this little hole, the little cubby hole. Sounds pretty good. The 2 12s. Now I'm having popped the hood, and I'm gonna show you guys the engine bay. So here in the engine bay, it has the original 6.2 with the LSA blower on it now. Got a Corvette cam with the whole valve train done. Got the valve covers and all that color matched to the orange on the calipers. Also the lid for the blower. They got long tube headers. Got some spark plug wires, aftermarket spark plug wires. Custom cold air intake. This build was done by Fastlane. Got the ice box right here on the side. Motion Raceworks oil catch can mounted to it. Looks super clean in here. Got the optimal battery with the 0 gauge for the sound system, as you can see right there. I'm gonna have him turn it on so you guys could hear what it sounds like. But that's it for this video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys can follow the build, and also follow us at Yonke_OXC Films. I will leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.